Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix video underscore Dxgkrnl underscore fatal underscore error, then let's look at the following solutions. So the first thing that we could do is to run the troubleshooter for hardware and devices. So we do that by running the command msdt.exe space hyphen id space device device diagnostic diagnostic. So we'll copy this and then we will use this command in the run panel. We open the run panel by pressing the Windows key and R, and then we will paste this command msdt.exe space hyphen id space device diagnostic, and we'll press enter. Now we will click advanced here so that the applies repair automatically, and we'll click next. Now this will detect the problems and it will fix the problems and restart the computer. Now if this doesn't work, what we can do is we can run an SFC scan. And how do we do that? We will look for command prompt and right click, run as administrator, click yes, and we will type the command sfc space slash scan now SCANNOW and press enter. This should resolve the problem. If it doesn't, then we will update the graphics card drivers. We do that by looking for device manager, click on this, and we will look for display adapters. Here I have my display adapter, right click, and we'll click on update driver. This should solve the problem. Now if all these solutions are not viable and don't solve the error, then we have to disable fast startup, and we do that by using the command in the run box. We'll press the Windows key and R, and we'll use the command power POWER CFG.CPL and press enter. And then we will click on choose what the power buttons do, click on change settings that are currently unavailable, and we will make sure this box is unticked. So when this box is unticked, it will turn off fast startup. Then you save changes and this should resolve the issue. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.